Picture a situation where an employee's Microsoft 365 account gets completely removed, and all you have left is an orphaned local OST file. You need to recover crucial business emails from that mailbox, but Outlook refuses to open it because the original profile is entirely gone. That is exactly where we find ourselves needing a reliable solution, and why we are looking at the OST to PST Converter by Stellar today. This is the easiest solution we figured out to convert OST files into PST. Today, we're breaking down how to convert OST to PST and how the online and desktop versions make it really easy. Before we jump into the technical side, we need to understand exactly why these offline Outlook files cause such a major headache for folks. See, an OST file is designed to be a local cache of your mailbox data, which means it is strictly bound to the specific profile and email account that originally created it. Unlike a standard PST file, you cannot just take an OST file to another computer, click Open in Outlook, and expect to view your data. If your Exchange server goes offline, your profile gets corrupted, or the account is deleted, that cached file essentially becomes a locked vault. That is why converting the file format over to a portable PST file becomes an absolute necessity if you want to see your mail again. Now let us examine the quickest way to tackle this hurdle, which is the web-based utility provided by Stellar. This is a purely browser-based tool that requires absolutely no local software installation and does not even need Microsoft Outlook active on your computer to do its job. We find this web option ideal for light, straightforward scenarios, such as when home users or non-technical team members need to convert a single small mailbox file under 500 megabytes completely free of charge. When you use this online tool, the workflow is incredibly straightforward. First, we open our browser and navigate to the official converter site to securely upload our offline OST file. Next, the system prompts us for a quick email verification to keep the data secure, and then it handles the automated conversion in the cloud within a few minutes. Once the process wraps up, we simply download the freshly generated PST file straight to our computer and import it into any active Outlook profile to view our accessible data. The online converter works well for quick conversions. However, IT administrators deal with larger mailboxes, multiple OST files, compliance requirements, mailbox verification, and data conversion scenarios. That's where the desktop solution becomes more practical. When we step up to the desktop software, the experience changes because we gain deep visibility and complete local control over our data. The application features an intelligent OST discovery mechanism that automatically scans our system drives to locate configured Outlook data paths for us, though we can also browse and select files manually if they are stored on external drives. As soon as the scan finishes, we are presented with a robust 3-pane mailbox preview window, which is a massive advantage since many competing tools fail to show you what is inside before you commit to an export. In this preview window, we can thoroughly browse through our full email threads, check our contact lists, view our calendar schedules, and even inspect specific file attachments to verify everything is intact before generating the new PST. Building on top of those standard conversion capabilities, we also have to consider how the software handles much heavier workloads. In big enterprise environments, mailboxes rarely stay small, and IT administrators regularly run into massive database files that stretch up to 50 gigabytes or even larger. The online version works great for files up to 5 gigabytes on the premium tier, but when we step up to the desktop corporate software, the file size restrictions disappear entirely. We found that the desktop edition is built specifically to process these massive enterprise mailboxes without throwing errors or running out of memory. It parses through large volumes of corporate data smoothly, ensuring that large-scale migrations or deep data conversion tasks don't get bogged down by file size limits. In addition to handling those massive files, maintaining the exact organization of the data is just as critical for our peace of mind. We've all seen tools that dump thousands of unorganized messages into a single messy folder, which makes finding a specific email almost impossible. Fortunately, we observed that this converter keeps the original folder hierarchy completely intact after the process is finished. Whether we're checking the default inbox, looking through the sent items, or navigating deeply nested custom folders that the user created years ago, everything remains exactly where it belongs. This preservation ensures that corporate users do not lose their workflow or context, allowing them to search and navigate their recovered mailboxes just like they did before the account became inaccessible. Another excellent advantage worth highlighting here is how the software addresses accidentally lost or purged data. When we look at the capabilities of the advanced desktop editions, it features deep data conversion algorithms that can actually scan for and restore permanently deleted emails. This capability is an absolute lifesaver for IT administrators and compliance officers who need to pull historical records that might have been cleared out by a user before leaving the company. To put things into perspective, we should look at how the browser-based option stacks up against the installed desktop edition. The online utility is built for quick, on-demand jobs where you need a browser-based, no-installation fix for a small file with basic requirements. On the flip side, the desktop converter is an installed application designed for advanced conversion, massive enterprise scenarios, and complex management needs. While the online option gives a basic HTML preview, the desktop software delivers a full interactive preview of emails, attachments, calendars, and contacts before saving. It also gives us advanced tools like batch conversion, splitting large PSTs, and migrating data directly into Live Exchange or Microsoft 365 environments. Ultimately, we reckon the choice comes down to your specific technical scenario. Home users who need a quick one-time conversion for small files will find the secure online tool highly efficient. However, for MSPs, IT administrators, and corporate teams managing large mailboxes or strict legal compliance, the advanced desktop software is the clear way to go. So, if you want to try either version for yourself, go ahead and check out the description below to try it out today. Try it out because it's absolutely free. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.